Hey guys, Tony here. So I did get in on HAKA right at around 20 cents or so. I'm looking at writing this all the way up to around 44 cents. Well, not 40, probably around 40 cents, maybe 44. I'm trying to see how much I'm gonna take out. I did take about $1,000 of my position from lossless, and I put that. It was all profit. So I took a small cut from my lossless position, and then I put it into HAKA. I am up almost, I think, 100% when it hits 40 cents, which I think it will. Um, I will be taking out 50%, and I will be probably throwing it into another micro cap. And I think I'm going to keep doing this for a little bit just to see what happens. But yeah, as of right now, um, it does look like it's going to keep pushing to the upside, at least Haka. And at least this way, it'll be a nice way to slowly grow my micro caps, because I do want to have, my plan right now is just growing my micro cap crypto, and just seeing what happens in like another year or so. So I'll see you guys later. Bye bye. Haka's definitely running. I do think it's going to go to 44 cents, possibly higher. So I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.